Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to try out 5-minute crafts hack. I'm going to use some of the hacks in order to create a full makeup look including my hair. Yes, that's right, I'm going to do that today. And I'm going to see whether these hacks actually work in real life or not. So, let's get started. The first hack which I'm going to try is the contouring hack, and for that, all the original hacks would be attached over here somewhere in the video, so you can see and compare whether I'm doing the steps right or not. So the first hack is a contouring hack. So let's try the contouring hack first. It's a very weird hack and I will totally look like a joker at first, I know, but just let's start. So apparently, and on these white portions, we have to fill in with concealer. It's like a very weird hack, guys. I don't think so anyone would have so much of time to waste on such things. And I don't know if it will work or not. If it works, then it's fine. Oops. Now we are going to blend this. I have a wet beauty blender right here. I'm having a hard time blending it, guys. Do you think that it has made any difference? I think somewhat. This part is looking a bit sleeker than it usually does. But it's not blending properly. I'm having a very hard time blending this stuff. Okay, so the second hack which I'm going to try is again a contouring one, and this time it's for nose. So let's see if it works. I'm just going to take a bit of the product and try to contour my nose using this. This contour shade is very light for me, guys. I know. I'm very sorry for that. Okay, so we have, and then we have to blend it. I don't know, it's not working for me. I think that's because my contouring stick is not that, pigmented. But I think if you use a good contour stick, these things are going to work. I'm a bit disheartened with these two hacks. I'm going to give both of them 5 on 10. Now let's move on to the eyeliner hack. Next hack, I'm going to use this lipstick, liquid lipstick, as an eyeliner. So let's see if it works or not. Just a second. Guys, this hack totally works. I'm loving it. So if you don't have colored eyeliners and you want some colors for fun, you can totally use liquid lipsticks. I'm totally loving the way it turned out to be. So yeah, to this hack I'm giving 9 out of 10. So this is how my lips look. I think my lips are looking a bit bigger and a bit plump. last hack is a hair hack, and in this we have to use a socks. I know it's very weird to use a socks on your head. I mean, just for the sake of the video I have to do this. So it's like really weird. And so after this you have to use a dryer in order to heat this part. So I'll be back after heating this part. Now the moment of truth, guys. I will see if actually my hair has become curly or not. So let's see. Oh my god, it works, totally works. This, I love this hack. 10 on 10. So guys, I'll be back after curling all the hair strands. Be right back. So I'm back, guys, after doing the curls. These are actually very loose curls, and you can actually build it up by using the dryer for a longer time, and you can use the hair fixing sprays in order to keep it intact for a longer time. And so yeah, I think this hack is like really helpful, and I am using the socks for the sake of the video because 5-minute scraps are using the socks. But if you don't want to use the socks on your head, I mean, I totally understand that it's very weird. You can totally use handkerchiefs or any kind of cloth that you have in your house, so that's not a problem. So yeah, this is the final look that I am able to create with using the 5-minute crafts hacks. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Style Potion. It will mean the world to me. If you can see little bit also hard work in the videos that I am making, please support me, guys. I really need it now. Totally share with your all your friends and relatives, and like my videos, and please support me. That's all I have to say. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.